Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to convert your real video into cartoon animation. First of all, just open your Play Store and download this app on your mobile phone and simply open it. Then click on this plus sign and import your video, the video which you want to convert into the cartoon animation. Then this will load your video into this app. Then simply scroll this and you will find their effects option there, so simply click on it and scroll it further. It scrolls on the side and then you will see the AI. On the section AI there is cartoon. Simply click on that and boom, it will convert your real video into cartoon animation in just one click. Just wait, it is converting your video. Just wait for some time and boom, now your video is finally converted into the cartoon animation, guys.